Joe from Rediweld. You're joining us on site where we're installing our Sitecop. The Sitecop is part of our speed ramp range, so this includes the original, the Plus and the Mini. So please join us and see how it's installed. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and also check out our social media pages. Thank you for joining us on site today in East Sussex. Today we installed 3 Sitecops in under 2 hours. If you need any more information, please head to our website or our social media pages, and don't forget to click subscribe and like. See you soon!